Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to delete iPhone messages on both sides. Now, if you have sent a message on your iPhone and if you want to delete the message on both sides, just tap and hold on the message which you have sent. Now from this pop-up menu, just select Undo Send. Now once you do that, you will delete the message on both sides. Now if you try to unsend an older message, for example, we will try to unsend this message. As you can see, the unsend option is not appearing. That is because Apple only allows you to unsend a message for 2 minutes after you send it. Now, after the 2-minute period, you will not be able to unsend the message. You will only be able to delete the message from your side. Now, to delete the message from your side, just tap and hold on the message which you want to delete, then tap on More, and from here the bin icon will appear at the bottom left corner on the screen. Just tap on it, then select Delete Message. Now just tap on OK. By doing that, you will delete the message only on your side. And this is how you can delete iPhone messages on both sides. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.